some new guys to. I don't know who you are, and they're like, oh, I just met one of your buddies actually. E? Oh, or what? And then he's like, no, I'm E. I go by E. All right, Al. Well, I gotta take off. We'll see you, buddy.
Yeah.
Have a good night. Next weekend?
Yeah.
I think next.
All right. Somebody told me there was an event at the library. Is that true?
Yeah, there's it's Hispanic cultural fair or something. Bond station. Yeah, that's like what's that?
Have a good day, Al.
You too.